بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
لإيلاف قريش.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful, at least for the favor of making Quraysh habitually secure,
إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف.
secure in their trading caravan to Yemen in the winter and Syria in the summer.
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت
Let them worship the Lord of this sacred house,
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
who has fed them against hunger and made them secure against fear.